Hi everyone, I just got my bread maker and I'm so in love with that one. And you guys can see there's 25 different things that you can make on that. And then looks so easy to make it. I'm so happy with the one I got it, and looks amazing. It's really, really nice. You guys can see a little bit. And then inside, there's a great size for you to make some bread. And it's pretty easy to clean, so you're not gonna have a lot of problem to clean that. I really appreciate it. I love it. And I hope you guys enjoy yours too.